You are at the beginning of your cybersecurity journey, and there are supposedly 1 million cybersecurity roles that need to be filled, and that's in the US alone.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
You hear this over and over and over, but you can find one of these roles for yourself. You hop onto Cybersecurity LinkedIn and all you see are people celebrating new job roles and the expensive certifications they just bagged. Cybersecurity Twitter, all you see are the huge bug bounty payouts. Millions of dollars being paid out in Web3, thousands of dollars being paid out in traditional bug bounty. You begin to realize just how steep the learning curve is. Let's throw in a bachelor's degree in the mix because there are some people that swear up and down that this is essential. The field is broad and there are a ton of areas you could potentially specialize in. Malware analysis, web app pen testing, forensics, threat detection, reverse engineering, cloud pen testing, network pen testing, physical pen testing, detection engineering, content engineering, the whole 9 yards. Stick around to the end of the video because I have a hacker roadmap for you if you don't know where to begin. Anyways, you eventually pick something you want to specialize in and get started. You begin to learn so much so quickly and you love it. All you want to do is tell everyone how fun cybersecurity is. But this is too short-lived. You hit a wall. You've learned some of the complete beginner skills and now the actual learning starts. You know what I mean? Except it's a whole lot harder than you might think it is. The material is dense, the resources are expensive, and you start to feel like you are not making any more progress.
And we're lost.
Cybersecurity is hard, especially the hacking side of it, in my experience, of course. Like I said already, concepts are hard to learn. Resources are expensive. There's gatekeeping. It's saturated. Jobs are hard to find, among other things. All I can tell you at this point is stick to it and it'll eventually get easier or better or both. So you've learned these foundational stuff and then you begin to learn advanced topics a lot more quicker, and you might eventually become an authority or a thought leader in your area of expertise. However, if you skip the fundamentals like some of us did and take shortcuts, you will hate the field because everything will take a lot longer. Okay, I mentioned gatekeepers earlier. Let's cue them in at this point. Some individuals openly make it known that you need to have a certain level of technical proficiency or hold certain specific certifications in order to be taken seriously or to be considered for certain roles. They think that's because that's what they did and it worked for them. I did this. It's the one true way, they say. I have this certification and I studied for it for a very long time, so you should have it too, they say. Oh, this is utter. Do not listen to those gatekeepers. Carve your own way and make it work. We all have unique experiences. So what in the world do they really think makes them speak for everyone? It blows my mind, personally. The next thing I like to talk about, competition. The millions of jobs you hear about that didn't do you field are not entry-level jobs.
No! No! No!
My accent just changed, excuse me. They usually range from mid-level engineers to senior engineers. Me, every company is looking for a senior penetration tester. At least most of them are. The number of entry-level security jobs is pretty low, especially on the red team side of things. You have to put in a lot of work to stand out from the rest. Now, depending on how you take these challenges, this field will either be very rewarding or you'll just absolutely hate it. I don't think there's a gray area like with most other things. You're either going to be on one end or the other. I love the field. It's rewarding. There are a lot of opportunities if you put in the work and play your cards right. This nigga, why you nigga calling me, bro? With dedication, persistence, and a willingness to learn, anyone can succeed in cybersecurity. While on the topic of learning and succeeding, check out some of my favorite TCM courses in the description below if you haven't already. Support your boy, he needs to eat. If you don't know where to start in your cybersecurity journey, check out the video on the screen somewhere here for a complete roadmap from zero knowledge, utterly unhireable, you don't know anything, to senior penetration testing. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.